This is the 2015 plantation.
Right.
And you planted them on how many acres?
300 acres.
300 acres.
Yes.
Okay. And how is the growth now, and how many species are here?
In this area, we plant two kind of species. This one is we call Rhizophora apiculata. This species is growth rate is very good. Now the other one is another species. This is Stereodacal. This species is growth rate is not so good, very slow. The first one is a very fast growing species. When we are going to start in 2015, the soil is not so good. After planted, soil condition is getting good. This is when to monitor the plantation, we are going to make so many sample plots. This pillar is the center point of the sample plot. And over there, the bamboo stick is the corner point of the sample plot. Plot side is the 10 meter by 10 meter area. Every year we measure this plot to know growth rate of the every species.
So after 5 years, you can collect the seeds from these trees.
Yes, right.
And you can start growing seedlings from them.
Yes, right.
Okay.